Welcome to KidsOff channel.
Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Shake it, tap it, open wide. Wow, what's the toy inside? Here comes a red egg, shiny and bright. I wonder what's hiding out of sight. Crack, it's a car, vroom vroom, so cool. Zooming around like it's in school. Here comes a yellow egg bouncing by. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Crack, it's a ducky, quack quack splash, playing in the tub with a tiny splash.
Now there's a blue egg, rolling slow. What surprise does this one show?
Crack,
It's a boat, sailing the sea.
toot toot.
Come sail with me.
Now the green egg is here, let's give it a shake. Something inside, it's ready to wake. Crack, it's a frog, jumping with glee. Ribbit, just like me.
Wait, a purple egg is spinning near. What could be in there? Let's make it clear.
Crack,
It's a kitty, soft and sweet, purring along with dancing feet.
orange egg coming, round and bright. Let's open it up with all our might. Crack, it's a robot, beep and bop, waving hello with a hop. Egg surprise, 6 big eggs with a happy prize. Red, yellow, blue, and green, purple, orange, all so clean. Clap your hands, spin around, let's find more eggs on the ground.
Hope you all like this video. Please subscribe the channel.